How to find last view WhatsApp apps. Open your WhatsApp app. After then you find three-dot line top right corner. Type into here. When you click here, you also see in this option your phone's setting. After then next you click setting. When you click setting, you find this option. Scroll down, you also see this option, stores and data. Type here. When you type, you see this option. First, manage stores. Click here. When you click, after wait few seconds, you also see this option, last views, photos, videos, your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching video. If you helpful this video.